If you are running into frustrating export errors while working in Adobe Illustrator, you are definitely not alone. Whether you are trying to generate a simple PNG, a complex SVG, or utilizing the Export for Screens feature, these crashes can halt your entire workflow. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to fix these export errors once and for all. If this guide helps you get back to your design work, please hit that like button and subscribe for more professional tips. Let us jump straight into the first set of solutions. The most common culprit for export failures is file destination. If you are trying to export directly to a server, a NAS, or a synced cloud folder like Dropbox or OneDrive, Illustrator might hang due to connection latency. Always try exporting your files to your local desktop first to see if that resolves the issue. If that does not work, try the New Document fix. Create a completely new file and use Paste in Front, which is Ctrl or Command plus F, to move your artwork over. This often clears up corrupted metadata from the original file. Another major cause for crashes is the complexity of your vector paths. If you have objects with heavy effects or thousands of anchor points, go to Object and select Rasterize to convert those specific complex pieces into simpler data. Now, let us talk about Export As settings for PNG or JPEG files. If you keep getting an error, head back into your export dialog and try setting anti-aliasing to none. Sometimes the high-quality smoothing calculations cause the software to crash, especially on larger files. If that fails, look at your resolution. If you were attempting a high-quality 300 ppi export, drop that down to 150 or 72 ppi. If it works at a lower resolution, it's a clear sign your system is running out of memory during the process. For those dealing with SVG export errors, the key is to simplify your transforms. Select your artwork and go to Object and then Expand Appearance. This bakes your rotations and complex effects into simple paths that the SVG format can translate easily. Also, in the SVG export options, toggle your styling setting between internal CSS and presentation attributes, as one is often more stable than the other depending on your specific artwork. Finally, if you are having issues with export for screens, check your Asset Export panel. If you have dozens of old, unused assets sitting there, clear the panel completely. These stagnant assets can cause the software to hang when a new export process is triggered. Additionally, check your artboard names. Make sure there are no special characters like slashes, colons, or question marks, and try to keep your titles relatively short. If you follow these steps, you should be able to bypass almost any export error you encounter. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated with future tutorials. Thanks for watching.